It's Friday the 8th of March 2024 and I'm heading to Toulouse in the south of France and bringing you all along the way. Hi everyone, my name is Matt and I'd like to welcome you to part one of this very short series of my weekend in the south of France. I've got a load of cool ideas, including a visit to the Airbus final assembly line and a number of other things that I'm going to keep to myself until tomorrow. Looks like a China Southern Cargo 777. For an airport like Stansted, that's quite heavy. I've got my coat, my keys and my Diet Coke. Let's go catch the bus. Actually given me a little bus timetable, which is very nice. We've got about a 15-minute wait and then we'll be on our way. So I've made it off the bus, it's now time to head into the terminal. I'm not letting any of this go to waste. That is so cool. Yeah, I made it through security, which was fairly straightforward. So busy today, so busy. Just had gate information come through and I need to head to 88, so that's where we're going now. Waiting at the gate. Got about half an hour till boarding. Yeah, not many spotting opportunities around here, I'm afraid. Look at this. You've probably picked the worst gate. Boarding a Lauda Airlines A320. So I don't have much to say about Lauda Europe. I was sat in the middle, which is never ideal, but it was the only seat available when I booked it, which was very annoying. But yeah, it's nice to be back in Toulouse. This is my 5th time. Yeah, same trip, different day. Why not? Got nothing better to do on a Friday, so yeah. So I've made it through passport control, which was fairly straightforward. I'm now heading to the exit and I'm going to walk to the hotel. Having been to work all day before this though, I must say, I'm very tired. Yeah. Just finished up in the airport. I'm now through the arrivals hall and heading towards the hotel. It is approximately 15 minutes walk away, so yeah, I'm not wasting money on a taxi or a bus fare when I can walk. You can tell it's been very rainy here today. It's very fresh in the air at the moment. Yeah, and the floor is just soaking wet. I keep having to avoid puddles. That's why I've got the torch on. Don't really fancy ruining the only pair of shoes I have with me this trip, so I'm going to focus on getting myself to the hotel. I'm only 6 minutes away now, and I'll catch you when I'm there. So I've just arrived at my hotel. Look, it's dark, it's late. Doesn't look most inviting hotel, does it? Yeah, I'm gonna go and check in and I might see you tomorrow. Can't find any other lights. This is the outfit that we've got for the weekend, which for £49 for the 2 nights, I really don't think is too bad. I guess I could give you a quick tour. So we've got like a nice little working area here. I might edit today's vlog on that later on. We've got like a nice full king-sized bed here, which you can see has got all of my stuff on it at the moment. And then like another bed up here for, I guess, a guest, but it's very unlikely we're gonna have one of those. And then coming into the bathroom, as you can see, there is. We've got a nice sink and then a toilet and then, well, a very, very small shower. But as I said, for the small price that I paid for this room, I really have no complaints. So yeah, I'm probably going to head over the road. There's a McDonald's over there, so I'm probably going to get some dinner. And yeah, that will probably be it for today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, I'd really appreciate it if you could drop me a like and also consider subscribing to the channel, as this channel is all about travel, it's all about aviation, and I'd really like you to join me along the way. So I've been Matt, you guys have been so kind for watching, and yeah, I look forward to seeing you next week.